year, and I had attended a workshop on SARS CoV-2 drug target, which was conducted by BDG LifeSciences. First of all, I would like to thank Asif Naqvi sir for conducting such immense interdisciplinary workshops in different fields of bioinformatics. So Mr. Pratik sir was the trainer for my workshop, and he was very patient with the students. It was for 5 days, and we were given, it was very well planned and executed. We were given tasks for each day, without which we could not proceed further. So, and also it was each and every details were given, steps were given in details through email. So it was very quite easy to perform these steps to the softwares, and quite easy to operate the software with these steps. Lastly, I would like to say that it was very good effort and advantage of these online ongoing sessions, workshops in this pandemic situation, that it is a chat session. So like in lecture sessions, candidate tends to forget the small basics things which he or she cannot repeat again in that case. But in chat session, what you can do is you can go through it anytime, anywhere, any number of times you want. You can repeat the session or training session again and again on your own with these steps which are given in the chats. So it was quite it was very much fun to attend these workshops, and I had attended earlier.
Hello, my name is Tanveen Kaur Soni, and I am a student pursuing BSc in Biotechnology from JS University, Kolkata. I took part in a workshop conducted by BDG LifeSciences from 26 to 30 December on the topic in silico molecular biology and genetic engineering. Our mentor was Monica ma'am, and the workshop was really interesting. From the workshop, I got to know about various different softwares that can be used for molecular biology and genetic engineering, and all the aspects of in silico molecular biology were taught to us in greater details. I also got to know about new softwares and new tools that can help me in for further research activities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Nair, and I am a MS Pharma postgraduate in medicinal chemistry. I recently attended a workshop on molecular dynamics studies via VMD and NAMD conducted by Biodiscovery Group. It was a very good experience for me, as the instructor ma'am who conducted the workshop was very patient with me. She was able to explain it very nicely, properly, and most importantly very slowly, so that a beginner can learn it and also do it alongside her without any trouble, which is a great feat in case of molecular dynamics. And so kudos to her. She was great in explaining the theory as well as explaining the steps and procedures involved. And I would recommend this workshop to any beginner who is planning to learn molecular dynamics. So go for it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shanki Jindal, and I am pursuing PhD from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Dwarka, Delhi. I took the molecular docking workshop with BDG LifeSciences, and my instructor for the workshop was Mrs. Sharwari Kulkarni ma'am. She taught practical and theoretical parts very well, and in this workshop I learned how to dock protein with DNA and RNA with single ligand and multi ligand, and with protein also. Using different servers like HDoc, Autodoc Vina, and Discovery Studio. And also I learned how to visualize protein in PyMol. I got to know about this workshop on LinkedIn, and I found it really well, and I hope this workshop will help you guys also. So stay connected with BDG LifeSciences and BDG Group. Thank you BDG for conducting these bioinformatic workshops, and that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sumit Mollik, and I have successfully completed molecular docking courses from BDG LifeSciences. First of all, I would like to thank you, my ma'am, who helped me a lot, Sharvani ma'am. And I also like to thank you, BDG LifeSciences, to organize such a nice workshop. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Mohanya. I'm doing my MTech Biotechnology in Karnia Institute of Technology and Sciences. So I have attended 5-day workshop on CRISPR genome editing. So this workshop was really useful. I came to know about the basics of CRISPR Cas and how to apply on on the current applications and where we can apply this. And we also know about the different databases in designing the guide RNA sequences, and we also had a hands-on experience on different databases. So this workshop was really useful, and I should thank Monica Moitra, and she was the trainer of us, and she was very patient and cleared all our doubts. So and thanks to her and thanks to this BDG Life Science group, this workshop was really useful. Thank you.